Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious fire roasted salsa. But before we get started, I want to thank Lowe's for sponsoring this video. With spring just around the corner, right now it's the perfect time to take advantage of all the deals Lowe's has to offer. Like their Spring Fest sneak peek promotion, at Lowe's you can find all of your household needs from decor to home improvements. Lowe's knows no matter what you're doing, it's easier to get it done when you got the right people, the right products, all at the right price. I took advantage and found the opportunity to begin my outdoor spring cleaning to get ready for my cookouts. Get inspired, go to Lowe's.com and find what you need to start your spring cleaning, or if you have any home improvements you want to do this season. Lowe's has free store pickup, free shipping on orders $45 or more. Or you can get same-day delivery. With that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay guys, so we're going to begin by roasting 3 Roma tomatoes, 2 tomatillos, 1/4 of an onion, and 2 chile serranos. Okay, once everything is nice and roasted, we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. And lastly, we're just going to grill 2 garlic cloves and 3 chile de árboles. And just be quick with the chile de árbol because they do burn very fast. Okay, once they're done, transfer to the blender cup. Okay, and lastly, we transfer the garlic cloves. And now we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, to the blender cup, we're going to add a handful of cilantro, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and salt, and 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. Okay, now we're just going to pulse it until everything is nice and crushed. Okay, and just like that, we have our salsa. Okay, so we're just going to transfer it to a bowl. And here we're going to taste it for salt and see if it needs to be adjusted. For me, this is perfect, so now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and just like that, cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious fire roasted salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And once again, thank you Lowe's for sponsoring this video. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.